Hello and welcome back everyone to another tutorial where I'm going to show you how you can download and install the Team Fortress 2 game on your PC. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Steam application on your device, and after logging in using your email address and your password, you will be taken into the store page. From here, just tap on the search box and then type in Team Fortress 2 and begin your search. Once you find the game, just click on it, and now this will show you the game trailer, and you can also check the reviews left by various users. Just scroll down and then tap on the Add to Library button. Once it is added to your library, you can just click on Install, and then you can choose your installation directory. Now, once the download and installation of your game is completed, you will see the play button, which you can click in order to run the game. And you can also find the shortcut on your desktop. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to download and install the Team Fortress 2 game on your PC. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more useful tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you again in the next one.